Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this flower choker. First I'll prepare this polka dot tulle fabric, which is 140 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. I'm putting both ends of this tulle fabric together and I'm sewing them together with black cotton and a needle. Next I will gather this polka dot tulle fabric there all around the edge with up and down stitch like that. When I reach the end edge here, I pull my thread quite tightly and I'm forming a flower from this polka dot tulle fabric, which looks like that. Next I'll prepare this ribbon, which is 40 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters wide. I'm burning edges on each end of this ribbon, putting this ribbon edges together so the shiny bit is inside, and I'm sewing those two edges together. I'm opening up this ribbon to the right side so the shiny bit is on the outside, and I will gather this ribbon same way like I gathered the polka dot tulle flower. I'm pulling thread quite tightly and I'm forming a flower out of this ribbon, securing the thread in the middle of this flower. Next I will sew on this black gem, which is quite shiny, in the middle of this flower there. So this flower is finished now, it looks like that. Next I'll glue this ribbon flower on top of the tulle flower. I'm applying hot glue in the middle of the tulle flower there, and I'm gluing that ribbon flower on top of the tulle flower. Looks like that. Next I'll prepare this sequin ribbon, which is 26.5 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide, and it stretches this way. I will attach these clasps on each end of this ribbon. I'm applying hot glue inside in this clasp there, and I'm gluing that ribbon end inside in that clasp, and I'm squeezing that clasp closed with the pliers. Cutting excess cotton off, and my first clasp is finished. Next I'll repeat same process on other clasp. And here's my other clasp finished, looks like that. And my choker strap is ready now. Next I'll glue this flower there. I'm applying hot glue at the back of this flower and a little bit on the strap there. And I'm gluing this flower a little bit off the center on this sequin strap there. And next I'm applying hot glue on this felt fabric piece, and I'm gluing this felt fabric piece at the back of the flower there. And my flower choker is finished. If you have any questions how I made this flower choker, please comment down below in a comment box. I will add all materials which I used to make this choker on a description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.